If you want to create an Epic Games account quickly and without any confusion, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full sign-up process step by step so you can get your account set up, verify your email, and be ready to use Epic Games in just a few minutes. This is perfect whether you want to play Fortnite, download games from the Epic Games Store, or simply get your account ready for future use. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games ID registration page. This is the official sign-up page where you'll create your new account. Once the page loads, the first thing Epic Games asks for is your date of birth. Enter your birth date carefully because this helps Epic Games confirm age requirements for the account. After that, click Continue to move to the next step. Now you'll see the sign-up options. Epic Games gives you a few different ways to register, so you can choose whichever is easiest for you. You can sign up with a standard email address, which is the most common method, or you can continue with a third-party account like Google, Apple, Xbox Live, PlayStation Network, Nintendo, or Steam. If you want the fastest option, you can pick one of those connected accounts and let Epic Games use it to create your profile. If you prefer keeping everything separate, go with the email sign-up method instead. If you choose email sign-up, fill in the required information on the registration form. You'll need to enter your name, country of residence, display name, and a secure password. Make sure your display name is something you're happy to use publicly, because this is often how other players will see you. Also, choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols so your account stays secure. Taking a few extra seconds here can help protect your account later on. Once all the details are filled out, look for the box that says you agree to the terms of service. Check that box after reading the terms if you're comfortable continuing. Then click Continue to proceed with the account creation process. At this point, Epic Games will begin the verification step, which is important for confirming that you own the email address you used. Next, check your email inbox. Epic Games will send you a 6-digit security code to the email address you entered during sign-up. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to check your spam or junk folder, just in case it landed there. When you find the code, come back to the Epic Games website and type the 6-digit number into the verification field. After that, click Verify to confirm your email address. Once the code is accepted, your Epic Games account will be successfully created and verified. From there, you can log in, customize your profile, and start using Epic Games services right away. That's really all there is to it. If this video made the process easier for you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.